Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and we have our dollar days today. New dollar days starting tomorrow. But before we jump into them, if you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. I appreciate it a lot. And let's go ahead and jump in. Just a reminder, it's probably too late now. Did anybody take advantage of the flash sale? 30% off all automotive jump starters, battery chargers. There were some decent ones available. Even some brand new items like this Viking battery charger. But let me know if you got it. And then also, we're trucking along for the parking lot sale. ITC has a couple more days, or really one more day tomorrow, and then everyone's starting Friday. Don't forget 40% off sockets, 35 torque wrenches, 40% off all bits and step drill bits, 30% off all Badland winches and winch accessories. A little bit sleeper here, 35% off elastic cords. Who's getting elastic cords? And then so on and so forth. But let's get into what we're really here for, and that's the dollar days. Perfect items to pick up while you're doing your parking lot sale shopping. But of course, these go through the 27th, so just a good time to pick these up, those basket fillers. But let's go ahead and jump right in. Dollar days, battery terminal cleaner, 74% off. Are you kidding me? Steal of a deal. I'm done. This is good. This one deal for $1. A tool that you're gonna use. Everybody needs these. Keep your battery terminals clean. $1, 74% off. Steal of a deal right away. Pencil tire gauge, 22% off. Not great, but not bad. $1 for an item that's also a must need. Clog resistant job site permanent markers, 2-pack. I've heard really good things about these. Cool logo on the pen, Harbor Freight, 49% off. Normally $1.99, down to $1. Then we have the super glue gel 3-pack, $1 for 49 cents, 49% off. Normally $2, but now down to $1. Then we have the Greenwood 5/8 inch to 3/4 inch hose mender. Your choice of female or male, $1, also 49% off. Great discounts here. The Pittsburgh lifetime warranty. So anything with a lifetime warranty that's $2. I don't even have to look at this tool. That's a great deal. But anyways, 8-inch half round file, 49% off. $3.99 normally, $2. Lifetime warranty. Steal of a deal there. Next, we have the 3.5-inch LED mini flashlights, 2-pack, $2, 33% off. Fun for the kids. Then we have more fun for the kids. Half-pound rubber bands for $2, normally $2.99, 33% off. Going on to Storehouse, a 12-inch silicone ties 2-pack, also 33% off. Normally $3, down to $2. We keep going. Chicago Electric power tools, 1/2-inch by 7-foot protective wire wrap for $3, normally $3.49, 14% off. Not excited about that. Then we have the Warrior magnetic nut setter set. We can say that again. Magnetic nut setter set, 9-piece. Your choice, $3, 24% off. Your choice of either SAE or metric. Pretty decent discount, 24% off. Normally $4, now at $3. Then we have the 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch heavy duty reflective all-purpose weather resistant tarp, $3. Normally $5, almost 40% off on that for a tarp for $3. Steal of a deal. But I've seen tarps on sale for more than that. Storehouse L-shape hang-all 2-pack, $3, 39% off. Storehouse L-shape hang-all 2-pack, not Shakur, $3, $4.99, 39% off. Good, really good deal there. Then we have the original Stick Tech 50-yard by 1.88-inch cloth back silver duct tape, $4, 16% off. Is this Dick Tech duct tape any good? I see it on sale relatively often. Never used it, but would love feedback from the HARBROs. Is this any good? Next, Avanti 9-inch paint roller frame. Best quality. $4, 19% off. That's okay. Then we have a 7-function multimeter, digital multimeter. 28% off. Really good deal. Normally $7 down to $5. And this is definitely, if you don't have one, for $5 to be able to test some electronics that you might need to troubleshoot, this is super handy. Must have tool, and for $5 for a $5 flyer, not too bad. Then we have a padlock set 4-pack, $5, 16% off. Decent price there. The US General Alert. Don't normally have these kind of alerts during the dollar days, but here we are. US General Alert. 11 compartment drawer organizer for $5, 37% off. $8. I mean, doesn't look all that amazing. We'll do a little bit of a deep dive. 11 compartment drawer organizer turns a messy drawer into 11 tidy compartments with a drawer organizer. I mean, pretty decent. Want to see what it's made out of. Fits inside a 13 drawer industrial quality roller tool chest. Ideal for storing a wide variety. Made of polystyrene. And here are some examples. They have put this to use. I guess it's time to stock up on these. $5. We continue. Warrior brand new screwdriver bit set, 31 piece, $6, 19% off. Decent deal. Good to see that discount on a brand new tool. Then we have this floor installation kit for $7, 29% off. Next, we have the Pittsburgh spring clamp set, 14 piece, $7, 22% off. Lifetime warranty. And this is interesting. I wonder if one of these breaks, if you're able to go ahead and return one of the 14 piece set. Maybe not. But $7, 22% off. Not too bad. Pretty great though, because it has the lifetime warranty. And then next we have the Pittsburgh more lifetime warranty 1/2-inch drive star bit socket set, 9 piece, 38% off, $8. And normally I would say that's an incredible deal. But the problem is we have incredible deals going on right now. We have 40% off all socket sets, Icon, Quinn, and Pittsburgh. And here we have this Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive star bit socket set. And when we look it up, and if we look carefully, here we have the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive star bit socket set, 9 piece for $12.99. High visibility markings for easier, faster bit selection. And we have 40% off of that already. And here, they're at 38% off. But since we're all about verifying as much as we can, let's see. $12.99 at 40% off gets us to $7.79, which seems wild. I want to double check their math. $12.99 at 38% off gets us to $8.05. So those two that 2% makes a decent difference. It's about 25 cents you save. Anyways, that's too much, but I don't like that the deals are doubled here. $8 would normally be pretty good, but if you do the parking lot sale, you're getting it for a little bit deeper of a discount, a quarter more. Well, 20 cents since they're doing their math a little bit different here. Next, Central Pneumatic Air Tool Accessory Kit, 17 piece. Normally $11, down to $9, 18% off. Solid for a variety of air tool accessories. Super, super solid. And then last but not least, we have the Pittsburgh Auto Body Filler Applicator Set, 4-piece. Picture looks a bit wonky. They're like 4 sets of spatulas. Well, filler applicator sets, different variety of sizes. Normally $10, down to $9. A lot of 9s here. $9 was $9.99, 9% off. And those are our dollar days. Some okay items. I guess they can't make them all amazing since there's a parking lot sale going on, but not too bad. I always dig the lifetime warranty Pittsburgh. This is a solid 8-inch half round file for $2. Solid clog resistant job site permanent markers 2-pack for $1. And then the 74% off battery terminal cleaners. But I'll leave it at that. Any of these that you'll pick up as the parking lot sale goes on, or will you hang tight? Either way, if you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Good luck out there during the parking lot sale. Keep letting me know what you're getting. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, and as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.